Hi, second grade. It's Miss Laney here with this week's Fundations, and we have a lot to do this week, so get ready and let's go ahead and get started by reviewing some of our glued sounds. I know you know most all of these, but it's always good to have a refresher. Here we go. A-L-L, ball, all. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-S-T, post, oast. O-L-T, colt, olt. A-N-K, bank, ank. Very good. Let's review our R-controlled vowels. Remember, sometimes when we're reading, we may come across a vowel with the letter R, and it changes the way that the vowel sounds. It's good to know all of these R-controlled vowels. I'll say it and you can repeat it. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, You-R, burn, Awesome. Last but not least is our vowel teams. We know that sometimes when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. And sometimes the letter Y can act as a vowel. So I'll say it and you repeat it. Some of them can make more than one sound. Let's see if you recognize which ones they are. A-Y, play, A. A-I, bait, A. E-E, jeep, E. E-A, eat, E. E-Y, key, E. O-Y, boy, oi. O-I, coin, oi. O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. This one has two. O-W, snow, O. O-W, plow, ow. Here's another one with two. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, ooh. And another. O-O, school, ooh. O-O, book, Another one with two. U-E, blue, ooh. U-E, rescue, you. Just one. E-W, chew, ooh. A-W, saw, all. A-U, August, ah. Very good. Let's move on to the next thing. Let's review multisyllabic words, or words with more than one part. We can sound out the beginning part and the ending part to make the whole word. Index, index. I scoop the parts, okay? In, one vowel closed in by the N. It's closed, it makes the I sound. Dex, one vowel closed in by the X. It's closed, it makes the eh sound. Index. You try this one. Polish. Paul. The O is closed in, it makes the ah sound. Ish. The I is closed in, it makes the I sound. Polish. Napkin. Nap, the A is closed in, it says ah. Kin,
The I is closed in. It says I. Napkin. You try this one. Complex. I see a blend. Pull. Com. The O is closed in. It says ah. The E is closed in. It says eh. Complex. Dentist. The E is closed. The I is closed. Dentist. Disrupt. I see a blend. Dis, the I is closed. Rupt, the U is closed. Mascot. The A is closed in. The O is closed. Mascot. Try this one. Habit. The B is scooped with hab. If it wasn't, the A wouldn't be closed and it would say hey. We don't want it to say hey. It's ha. The A is closed in by the B. Hab it. The I is closed in by the T. Habit. Look at this word. I want to talk about something different. This word only has one part. Lick. Lick. We know that when short words end with k, it is usually CK. However, in a multisyllabic or more than one syllable word, it is just the letter C when you hear ick. For example, in the word public, just an IC, short I, short U. Try this one. Top, ick. The O is closed, the I is closed, just a C on the end. Topic. And last one, we do this with Mrs. Combs. Music, just a C. Very good. Let's move on. Let's practice our trick words. I'll give you a chance and then I'll say it. Shall. Full, pull. Both. Talk, walk. Done. Goes. Pretty. Again. Please. Animal. Sure. Use, used. Against. New, no. Right. There. Being. First. Look. Good. New. Water. Called. Day, may, way. Super. Let's read this passage called Hopscotch. This passage is nonfiction, which means it is real. It gives us real information and facts. And I bet it gives us facts about hopscotch. I'm going to read it and then I want you to pause this video and try reading it yourself. Here we go. Hopscotch is lots of fun. It was invented a long, long time ago. It was not a fun game at that time. It was used to make the men in the British Army stronger. There were lots of boxes in the old hopscotches. The hopscotch could be hundreds of feet long. The men had to hop in all of the boxes with their splendid armor on. The strongest and fastest men finished first. The men who did not finish got upset. They knew they would be punished. The British children wanted to mimic the men in the army. They made their own hopscotches. Theirs were not as long as the ones the men used. They tossed small rocks into the boxes and hopped to the end. When the children played, it was all for fun. Even now, there are children who think hopscotch is a blast. Pause this video and you give it a shot. Super work, friends. Okay, friends, go ahead and grab something to write with. I'm going to use my journal. We're going to do our 2 word of the day cards. So go ahead and grab, you could get your dry erase or just some paper. And let's go ahead and turn to the next clean page. Okay, the first word I have for you, I want you to try to read. 2 parts. Disrupt. Let's write it and mark it up. There are 2 parts. Disrupt. Dis has 1 vowel closed in. Rupt has 1 vowel closed in and a blend. Pt. You can do the same sentence as me, or you can come up with your own. I'm going to do the sentence, please do not disrupt our class. Use a capital letter. Please. Please do not disrupt our class. Don't forget punctuation and finger space between your words. Pause this video if you need more time. Let's do one more. This word was in our story we read. Mimic. Do you see it ends with just the letter C? Mimic. Let's write it and mark it up. Mimic. The I is closed in mim. The I is closed in ick. Mimic. You can do the same sentence as me or come up with your own. Mimic means to copy or repeat the same thing, okay? So I'm gonna do the parrot can mimic. Have you ever heard of a talking parrot? The parrot can mimic. Pause this video if you need more time. Awesome job. Grab your dry erase boards or something to write with and let's do some dictation. Let's start with some sounds. I'm thinking of some ending sounds, suffix endings. What ending says ed, like on handed? Ed. That's the suffix ed. Write the suffix that says ing. I-N-G. Good. Write the suffix that says like in the word faster. E-R. Very good. Let's do some words. Try the word upset. 2 parts. Up. Set. Let's scoot the parts. We don't have to mark up anything else. Try the word catfish. Cat-ish. Scoop the parts. Catfish. Try the word publish. Publish. Pub. Lish. Ish. Publish. Scoop your parts. Try the word static. Static. Ick is I-C. Static. Static. Let's do a sentence. If you need room, make room on your board. I'm going to make some room for myself. Pause this video if you need to. Let's do the sentence. Frank thinks that he will finish last. Frank thinks that he will finish last. Pause the video to try it on your own. Frank ink thinks. Frank thinks that he will, will finish. Fin-ish. Last. Last. Pause this video if you need more time. Way to go, guys. We know that suffixes go on the end of words, and we've learned several so far from first grade into second grade. And those are the suffix s, the suffix es, the suffix ed, the suffix ing, the suffix er, and est. We've practiced a lot of words with these, but I want to show you a few more that you're gonna run into as we read bigger words. And I'll show you a few examples that go with them. I bet that you've heard of some of these before. They are more suffixes, which mean they go on the end of a word. The suffix full, like in the word handful or careful. The suffix less, like in the words careless, hairless. The suffix meant, like in the word shipment or movement. The suffix ness, like in the word sadness or kindness. The suffix n, like in the word frighten or brighten. And last one, the suffix looks like the word able, but it usually sounds like able, like comfortable, breakable. You guys did a fantastic job. We'll work with these words some more. Have a great rest of your week.